Today I'm going to show you how to install the Tusk upper door bags on your Polaris RZR XP1000. These are a great way to carry some extra items with you while you're out on the trail. And there's a pad in the front which is really nice for your arm to rest against. So with that being said, these are easy to install. And we're going to start by cleaning the inside of this door frame. I'm just going to wipe it down. I've got a little cleaner on a rag. And the reason we're doing this is we have some hook and loop strips that are going to stick onto these areas right here. And once you have that cleaned up, you can go ahead and remove 5 of the screws that are holding this upper door skin in place. Now, the very bottom one, you don't have to remove that one if you have the Tusk aluminum door inserts. Now I'm going to set this door bag in place. We're going to start out by installing this lower rear screw first. You're going to have to go in through the pocket, and then we're going to install one of the front screws next. That's going to help hold everything in place. And if you have the aluminum door inserts, you are not going to be putting that screw in the bottom mounting location. And when you tighten these screws down, make sure you don't get them too tight because it's real easy to strip this plastic out. After that, we're going to remove the backing from the Velcro strips. And then we're going to press these into place starting at the bottom and working our way up. And from here, you just want to install the rear upper screw and then the 2 in the middle. Now these middle mounts might be a little hard to start, but that's normal. You want this bag to be tight against the door. That's how you install the Tusk upper door bags on your Polaris RZR XP1000. These are a great way to bring snacks or other items with you while you're out on the trail. Now, if you have questions about the install process or anything about the bags, leave those down in the comments. And hey, if you need to pick these up, they're available on our website. So head over there or just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. So take advantage of that and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.